Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how you can secure your Neuron OPC US server by disabling the anonymous connection and creating the user authentication. So whenever user wants to connect with Neuron OPC US server, they have to put the username and password to connect with our OPC US server which is running inside the Neuron. Now what we want to do is we want to give access to some particular folder or particular tag group to the user. Okay, previously what is the scenario? Let me show you. So previously when we are connecting with the Neuron OPC US server, the user has access to each of the tag folder. You can see cap server client tag, Matricon client tag, process client tag. But we don't want to provide each and every tag access to the user. We want to restrict the tag access, okay, or we just want to provide one folder tag access. So for admin user, I just want to provide cap server OPCDA server tag access. I don't want to provide Matricon and OPCDA server tag access to that user. Then how can I do that? How can I restrict the access of my other tags? So that thing we are going to see in this video. So this is the agenda for this video, that restricting OPC UA user access to specific tag folder or tag group for targeted data delivery. So we want to just deliver the cap server tag only. We don't want to deliver Matricon and process. Then how we can do that? So you can go to the Neuron node, okay, and then after in the OPC US server node, in the previous video we have created this user, okay, administrator user. We have provided access to that administrator user to connect with our OPC US server. Now here in the tag filter you can see the path. Okay, so right now the path is selected is just a root folder, so the user has access to each tag folder or each tag group, but we can specify the tag group or tag folder using this button. Okay, so I can click this button, and if I just want to provide the Kepware client tag, then I can select this folder, I can select the group, and I can save it. So it will restart my OPCA module, and I can navigate to the UA expert software. Okay, I'm going to ignore it. Here you can see we don't have Matricon client tag inside this folder, and we don't have any process client tag inside this folder. So we have restricted the access to the Kepware client tag only. So user don't have access to this two folder now. So that's what we have done in this path. Okay, so whenever you provide tag access to any user, so in the tag filter, whatever tag group access you want to provide to that user, you just have to specify that tag group here. So if I just want to provide the Kepware tag to that user, okay, so whenever any user connect to my OPC US server, so I just want to expose the Kepware data. I don't want to expose the Matricon data or process data. Then I can just select the Kepware client tag, I can select the group, and I can save it. So the user can only access the Kepware client data. So if I remove it, okay, and if I try to add it again, and if I try to provide the admin, okay, here you can see we don't have other two folder for process and for Matricon. Okay, so this is how you can restrict the access to the particular tag group or particular tag folder. So I hope this thing is clear. So this is one more layer of security when you want to restrict the data access of our important data. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, that how you can restrict access to specific tag folder or specific tag group. So if you still have any question or confusion in the tag filter, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp. Also you can send me a mail, or also you can comment on this video. Also you can ping me on LinkedIn. Now we will meet you in the next video, and we will come up with a new topic for the Neuron in the next video. So stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye.